everybody, and welcome to Big Rock, where we're hosting our annual Trail Attack. We want you guys to come out here and experience adventure as you can in a motorcycle race like the Trail Attack. And of course, I have the X-Pulse. Bring your own motorcycle and experience it.
So basically, Recce is to understand the track course of the MX track and trail, and this is we do this to track so that riders are going to be safe and they have fun on this.
Shyam Gopinath. I am the clerk of the course, which is called the COC of the Big Rock Trail Attack 2021. This is the fourth consecutive year that we've had the Trail Attack series. This is one of India's largest amateur motorsport events that has never been done before. And we believe that this is what is going to help the next generation of motorsport riders and guys who are interested in motorcycling to improve their skills and to learn about motorcycles, how to ride on a trail, and create a completely new niche in the world of motorsports. Thank you for being with us.
So the scrutiny is done basically to ensure that all the riders are wearing the proper safety gear, like boots that cover your ankle and knee pads, and then you have your elbow guards, your chest armor, and if they're wearing a regular riding pant and jacket, don't have a riding pant and jacket, they would need to wear a separate knee pad or an elbow armor. Of course, all the helmets need to be at least a DOT or an ECE certified helmet. Mainly, again, the ECE or the DOT certified helmets a little more safer than the ISO standards. And in terms of the motorcycle, they check if the tire has enough tread in it to be used on the course. No knobby tires here because this is an amateur event. No amateur is going to be willing to spend that X amount of money on a knobby tire to figure out if at all he wants to continue the sport or not. The other thing is they're going to check your headlight so that you have the pass switch, the passing light. If at all there's a rider who's slower in front of you, he can be informed by that. Same thing with the horn. The mirror is there basically to see if at all I'm a slow rider and I'm ahead and there's a faster rider behind me. I can see in the rearview mirror that he's there, and the indicators, of course, so that I can show the faster rider that I'm gonna go to the left so he can overtake me on the right, or vice versa. Brake lights, of course, if there's a rider behind me. They also check if there are clips for the fuel pipes, because if you have a crash or if something sticks into it, the chances of the fuel pipe coming out is high, so they ensure that the clips are there. We'll also check if the cone set is tight or not, because if it is loose, then chance of crash is high. It's more about scrutiny.
Stop playing with them.
Starting with serial with competition number 1. So if
Yeah, hi. I'm Shashank Vasuki. I'm riding a Ducati Desert Sled today. Really enjoyed the recce yesterday. Had a great time and looking forward for a great event.
Hi, I'm Abhishek Jagan. I ride an Xpulse 200. This is my first time at Trail Attack. I think it's been an amazing experience already. Looking forward to the race. Hopefully, let's see how that goes. The track seems really tough.
Coming from Kerala, I ride an Xpulse. I'm really thankful to Big Rock for giving a participation in the show class. It was really wonderful.
My name is Savian. I study in grade 8. I started riding this bike 2 years ago. The track which they made for Big Rock Trail Attack is really fun, and I wish I do good.
Hi guys, my name is Arjun Varma. I'm the head of business development at Big Rock Dirt Park, which is located in Bangalore and now also in Hyderabad. We just finished wrapping up Big Rock Trail Attack 2021, which is essentially India's largest amateur race competition. Big Rock Trail Attack was conceptualized in 2018 by CS Santosh. The reason behind this whole event was that to get amateurs involved in this kind of a race weekend. What we've seen over the years is there are a lot of platforms for the various professionals who do participate in things like this, but we honestly don't have anything for amateurs to take part in. It's also an FMSCI sanctioned event. We have the kids exhibition class. That's probably my personal favorite, which basically means all the kids under 13 come and participate. So to actually have a place where you can enjoy it with other people who have the same interests and do the same thing, I think it's a great thing.